Hello everyone. So this is the second video in JavaScript series. In this video, we'll learn about variables and data types. So let's start with the variables. Before going on that, we'll just open our console quickly, just hitting F12 on your keyboard, and here you go. So the first thing, what is variables? Variable is a container that holds your data. So let's uh, let's learn how to write them in JavaScript. So we need to tell JavaScript this is a variable, this is X variable name, and we need to say give some data. So initially, so we can give any data. So for now, I'm giving 5. So this is the variable declaration. We can use this data. I want to print this data. So I'll write X, hit enter. Now you have it. Okay. So this is variables. Variables basically store your data, but there are different types of data. In JavaScript, there are numbers, string, and boolean. We'll just go one by one. So first we saw this. This is a number. Then we'll go for a string. So let's give a name to our string. So let's call it okay, car. All right, and we need a name like which car. Here is the string, and we'll give name Audi. So this is a string that we are storing in the car variable. If I again go here and write car, it is showing this Audi, so it is working. So let's go to another data type, that is our boolean. What is boolean? So let's create a variable with the name flag, and we'll give the value uh, true. Oh, sorry, it is not like that. True. Okay, now it is right. So let's write this flag. Now it is true. All right. We'll just clear the screen, and all right. Let's um, do some examples to understand how variables and data types work in JavaScript. So the first we'll try to add two numbers. So we'll create a variable of x equal to 4 and variable y equal to 3. So now x and y has 4 and 3 values respectively. So let's try to add them. So instead of writing 4 plus 3, we 4 plus 3, we'll write x plus y, and it will give the same result, 7. This is a number addition. We can do multiplication, division, and subtraction. So let's try adding some string. So let's create some string name. We'll make this first name first and equal to John. We need we need to give quotes to, so then JavaScript will understand this is a string, and variable last name. Yeah, let's give a last name. So John, we can give last name will be Sina. Yeah, over it goes. Yeah. Now we need to add them. So let's add it, and we can store the result in some other variable. So variable full name equal to first plus last, hit enter. Now it is stored in the variable. Let's try to print that value. Here you can see it is printing the value, but there should be some space in between, so we'll just do that. Okay, we need to add a space plus, hit enter, then we'll print the name. Now this looks good. So these are the data types we learned. These are the variables. But what if, I'll just clear the screen quickly. So problem. What if I have to store something like, not let, we'll go into that later. Variable equal to x equal to 4, variable y equal to 5, variable z equal to, or to store them somewhere we are using three variables. That is not an efficient way. So in JavaScript there is a way to store these multiple data in the same variable. So we call it array. So let's look how the array is. Variable, then we'll give a name. Let's call it a equal to, and we'll give square brackets. And inside those square brackets, we'll write all the data you want to add inside that. So 4, comma 5, comma 6. Hit enter. It is stored in the our variable. So I'll write a, hit enter. So now it is showing the elements in the array, and these are the values in the array. So if I want to access uh, the first value in the array A, how will I write? To access the first element, we'll write 0. Remember this thing, array always starts with 0. So for this is 0, 1, and 2. So I'll just a of 0. We'll just write the square bracket, then the index that we want to access. So for the first, here we are using 0, so it is printing the first element of the array. So in the second, we'll write a 1, so it will display the second element in the array, and a equal to 6. So it is sorry, not 6, a equal to second element in the array. Now it will represent the 6 that. So this is it for our basics video of JavaScript variables and data types. We'll learn more about that in the upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.